tuned for acceleration with dual-clutch transmission option. The muscular twin-cylinder engine offers strong performance from low RPM. Don't skip for more detailed information. With 104 Nm peak torque, just what you need for effortless overtaking. The engine has a 270-degree crankshaft, which creates a characterful exhaust sound and better torque. Six-speed DCT is an option if you want to change gears. Trigger shifters offer razor-fast control. Whilst 3-level S mode delivers seamless shifting for sportier performance. Please support this channel so that it develops further and provides the latest information for you. More informations. Please subscribe